same doggy.
Gray one.
No, they're not over there anymore, Libby.
That's all the way around. This gray one goes here. Like that. The yellow one goes into the box. And this one
I
comes
like how
out.
Dad talks to himself.
What? What? Back in. And the yellow one goes into the box.
Do I need the internet to put my pictures in here?
I don't know. But this is your line right here. And see if you want to come sit over here. You just bring the cable over and pick it up. And when you're done, you just take the cable and just put it back. So you don't have to have it, you know, and you can bring it back and maybe I'll make a spot over here where you can put your computer where it can sit. You know what I mean? But this is your computer line. You should be able to go right back on.
They're two-headed doggy.